easystorePRO brings you a step-by-step guide for setup and daily use of the fuel module on your back office system. We will start by learning how to set up your advanced fuel module. To begin, go to the gear icon at the top right of your screen and select Account Settings. Find the store you want to update, then click on the Fuel tab. For each fuel grade that your store has, click the Edit button and complete the required fields. If the fuel grade is blended, you will need to assign a % for each of the fuels you are blending together. Repeat this setup process for each fuel grade at your store. A completed setup should look similar to this. Now that you have your fuel grades made, we will learn how to add fuel invoices. Head back to the easystorePRO dashboard, then go to the Fuel tab on the left of your screen and choose Delivery. Once here, click the Add Delivery button on the right. Then enter the gross volume and net volume purchased for each grade. If you see grades that do not have dedicated tanks, please return to the Setup Advanced Fuel Module section and complete that step before proceeding. When you have entered all needed information for each tank, select the Add New Delivery button. After you have added your new delivery, you will still need to finalize your invoice by entering cost values. To do this, click the dollar icon in the last column of the invoice row. Here you can include values such as the rack price paid per gallon, freight cost, optional, and miscellaneous costs, optional. Once you have input each of your costs, easystorePRO will automatically attempt to calculate the tax amount paid per grade. If you have not set up your tax rates per grade, refer to the Setting Up section at the beginning of this video. The total tax rate should be the sum of all local, state, and federal tax rates that are applied on the invoice. To finalize your fuel invoice, check the Finalize box, then click the Update Invoice button. You can also attach and save copies of your invoices to keep for your records and easily access them at any time. To attach an invoice to a delivery, go to the paperclip icon in the last column of the invoice row. Drag and drop the document from your File Explorer onto the Document Drop area, or click to Add Attachment and select the document from the pop-up box. Up to 2 documents can be uploaded per invoice. Now that we know how to add fuel invoices, next we will cover how to provide daily fuel tank level readings. To use this feature, you must provide fuel tank level readings at the close of each business day to maintain the accuracy of various fuel inventory reports in the easystorePRO Advanced Fuel module. Go to the Fuel tab on the left of your screen and choose Day Closing. Find the current day on the calendar, then select the pencil icon. Now enter the fuel height in inches and the volume in gallons. Once you are done filling in the correct information, click Save Changes. The provided fuel tank readings will be captured and saved for the day. When you are done entering your fuel tank levels, we will learn how to generate fuel tank inventory reports. The fuel tank inventory report will display daily fuel inventory in gallons, by day and by grade. To maintain the accuracy and reliability of this report, easystorePRO requires certain data set and processes be maintained daily. The following processes must occur every day. 1. Day close or day report data must be generated by the POS at store close. This data is generated by the POS automatically when the store is closed from the POS. 2. Daily tank readings or stick readings must be entered into easystorePRO at store close. This includes the height in inches and volume of each tank. 3. All fuel invoices must be entered and finalized if there were deliveries. To generate the report, access the report from the main menu by going to the Fuel tab and choosing Tank Report. Once there, select the date range and the fuel grade for the report you want to make. Click Generate Report. The report will display data related to fuel sales and gallon volume each day. Report Day. This is the business day being reported. This period is automatically detected based on the POS open and close store events. Open. This is the volume in gallons in the selected tank when the store opens. This value is determined by the previous day's closing stick reading. Purchase. The sum of all purchases made on this day for this grade. Only finalized delivery invoices will be shown here. Sold. The total fuel sales in gallons for this day. This number is determined by the day close or day report value reported by the POS. Close. The total fuel in gallons remaining in the tank after the store has closed. This value is automatically determined by subtracting the open value from the close value. Stick inches. The inches value of the stick reading provided at close for this business day. Stick volume. The gallons value of the stick reading provided at close for this business day. This value will become the open value for the next business day. Please remember that it is important both day close stick readings must be entered into easystorePRO after business close every day to maintain the accuracy of this report. OS. The over-short value for this business day. This is the difference between the close value and the stick volume value. This value should remain within a certain range to comply with various local, state, and federal requirements. Finally, we will cover how to check fuel tank levels. Go to the Fuel tab on the left of your screen and choose Tank Levels. The Tank Levels page will display the current fuel volume in each tank. The update rate of the fuel levels will depend on your POS system, your fuel sensor hardware, and regular daily stick readings. If fuel sensors are installed at your site, the fuel levels will be automatically updated on regular intervals. Verifone systems update every 30 minutes, and Gilbarco systems will update every shift and day close. If you do not have fuel sensors, the update rate will be determined by your nightly stick readings and your daily sales. You are now ready to use your easystorePRO fuel module and fully optimize your store's fuel reporting. For more information and other help, visit our support articles page at easystorePRO.com.